The original ink is a no, and the sublimation ink is good to go. Now you want to work. Okay. Spoke too soon, slowing down. Okay, let's go with blue next. High key scared to do black because the bottle's way bigger. Oh gosh. Oh Lord. The black is not really bold, I can't tell. The blue and black look almost the same color. Oh wow. They're making noise. So first I'm doing a test print on regular copy paper. And that took about 44 seconds. And now I'm doing a test print using actual sublimation paper. I added this riser to my table because now I have two printers and it's shaking like crazy. Well, this was a terrible location to do my sublimation press, and you're about to see why. So I'm checking to see if it transferred, which it did not. I'm assuming it's a heat and timing issue, so I'm pressing it again. Notice I'm starting to add a little bit more pressure with this press, but it's only so much pressure I can add with this current setup. So I'm checking the transfer again, and once again, another failure. It did not transfer. So now I'm doing some refining and going to try some press off camera.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, so this was my first attempt at sublimation, and I'm working with an easy press, and I realized that you have to actually apply a lot of pressure, and so that's why I didn't take. That's what I'm assuming. But this one crawled, so this one can walk. Now look at this one. Huge improvement. Huge improvement. Now it's just only black color, so it's not, oh wow, we're so used to seeing black and white, right? Printers. And so this one walked, so this one can run. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Y'all know what theme this is. It's Harry Potter, bro. Yes, sir. The fabric is dyed by this. Like, oh my gosh. It still feels like fabric. Look at the other side. Double-sided, too. Y'all know this castle. Look at this. This is insane. Crawled, walk, run. This one kills me because this red is just really popping so nicely. The castle in the background, the trees, the light looks like it's on. Like, oh my gosh.